Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you are watching my next vlog. And today is Saturday, June 11th already. Wow. The summer just started. Well, I don't know, I consider summer June to end of August personally, but I know it's not considered like that. It's considered that summer didn't start yet. It's considered that summer starts on June 20th, whatever. But in my opinion, summer is June 1st to August, depending on how many days are in August. 29, 30, maybe not 29, but 30, 31, something like that. I don't know. The point is that the summer is already running away. It's already June 11th. By the time this video is going to be out and you guys are going to be watching it, it's already probably going to be something like June 20th. That would be nice. See, made hot coffee at home now. Saved $2, but spent half an hour. It's very nice and peaceful, like I like to say, at 6:53. I saw one car so far, one person, second person. I noticed from the previous videos that I was editing that I'm saying one temperature that the car thermometer is showing, which is, like I said before, is influenced by the fact that it stands in the underground parking. So right now it was showing 18, it just started showing 17 because it's cooling after I exited the underground parking, because it's warmer there and it's colder outside. Internet is showing that it's 15 degrees outside, so I think that's true. It's 15 degrees right now, which is a very reasonable temperature for 6:54 a.m. on a summer day. Makes sense. Another person. Let's check out the gas price. 215.9, probably the highest I've ever seen. $2.16 for 1 liter of regular gasoline. June 11th, 2022. What can you say? World is like that, like this right now. Like I can escape this. No. Look how beautiful the rays from the sun shine through the clouds. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro camera. 1 second, I'll show you if it's visible. No, it's not visible anymore. But that was pretty. My day is still going well. It's 8:26 already. And I'm still working. I'm going from one place to another, and I'm going to try to film more content. Let's put our GoPro. On one of the previous videos, I was talking about the signs for the provincial election that we had here in Ontario, and I was just talking about how you can find red sign for the Liberal, blue sign for the PC party, green for Green, orange for NDP, and then there were some other ones like a yellow, I think it was called new PC or new something there, and a white with blue letters that I saw in Toronto, which was also something like, I don't remember, something party. Yeah. And so the election was over. I think it was, the last day was June 2nd, and I think the PC or the blue party won. So it's based on how many, of course, votes they get, and then how many seats they get, and then that's how many representatives they have in a seat of Commons. Well, let's not make it a political structure in Canada lesson this morning, but just wanted to say that the blue party or the PC won. That's it. Not to say if it's good or bad, but just to state the fact. Meanwhile, it's 18 degrees already outside. I think we started from somewhere like 14, 15 and it warmed up. It looks like it's gonna be a nice day. Like I was saying, like most of the part of the sky was covered in clouds, but they cleared up a little bit left that way, and that's it. I think it's going to be a very nice and sunny Saturday, plus and warm as well. Just as we were talking, the car started showing 19 degrees now. My day is still going well. It's 10:54, almost 11, an hour from noon. still working. It's still Saturday and it's already 22 degrees. Pretty warm. I'm finally done for today. I'm going home. I'm gonna have some time off, rest, try to edit some videos and post the next vlog. Thank you very much guys for watching. My name is Alexei. This was Driving Approach and I'll see you in the next video.